Junior football is all about developing children's skills, confidence and their love of the game. However, too much pressure to win can have the opposite effect, and an increasing number of children are being discouraged from the sport due to the negative sideline behaviour.
Come on! You're rubbish!
As adults, we need to remind them that whilst winning is great, striving to win is far more important.
How'd you miss that? Come on!
Come on, guys. Why are you all so down?
I hate it when the grown-ups shout at me.
How do the rest of you feel?
I don't like it either.
I don't want to play anymore.
So what are we going to do about it?
I've got an idea.
The barriers encourage positive sideline behaviour, allowing the children to enjoy football, which is the most important thing.
Come on, guys, let's get down the team. Great pass.
Giving the children the space to express themselves in a safe environment promotes the game as it should be played, getting behind the team.
Behind the team! Behind the line, behind the team! Behind the team! Behind the team!
For more information on the Behind the Line campaign, please visit faw.org.uk/safeguarding.
Behind the line, behind the team.
Are you